Welcome to this video. Welcome to Chris Graphics tutorials as well. Today I'm going to show you how to generate different poses of images and how you can simply just explore creativity as regards image creation. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we have been missing a lot. All right, we have been missing a whole lot. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you're going to be notified. All right, so I'm just going to come here. All right, this website. So let me just create a new tab. All right, let me create a new tab. So this website, you just go to rev.com. all right, so go to rev.com. Now if you don't have an account with them, so you go ahead to create an account with them. All right, so it's going to take you home. All right, can you see? Now I have done something here before, so that's why you're seeing mine like this. All right, if you don't have an account with them, I recommend you create an account with your Google mail, right? So that's very fast and simple. Just about few tabs, 2-3 tabs, you're done with that. So now what you want to do is to come here. All right, so write a prompt. Now if you want to create different postures of a particular image, you can see you can just type something simple. All right, just the way it's on your heart. All right, what you want to achieve. All right, create let's say 4, 5, 3 or 2, let's say 3 different poses, portrait poses. All right, depending on what you want to create of this image. So I'm going to click the plus sign, and then if I had attached an image before, I can click previously attached. If I want to upload a new image, I can upload a new image from my what's it called, from my gallery, right? But I've attached before, so I'm going to pick the image I had previously attached. All right, so I've picked it, and then I can click attach. All right, just send icon. All right, this website is really amazing. All right, so in a moment you can see it's creating, and you're going to see different results. And one of the amazing thing about this is the facial features are just so the same. All right, it's quite insane, right? So all right, so as it's creating, if you're not subscribed, the subscribe button is just below. All right, so hit it, just hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge, and then you're going to be enjoying tutorials every week, if not every day. All right, so all right, you can see it has created other poses. Wow, can you see? So sometimes you may not really like some of the results. You can, wow, can you see? All right, so wow, can you see this? All right, so it has created different poses of that particular image. Can you see? And the thing is, the facial features, like I've said, yeah, quite the same. So now this is not just about poses and all of that. You can use it, you can ask it to change your outfits, you can, and your face is going to remain the same. All right, so I think I prefer the facial expressions, the facial features of this one to Google Gemini. Now if you don't know how to generate realistic images of yourself with Google Gemini, I've created a detailed video on how to do that, and I think it's hovering somewhere around the screen, or you can check the description of video. You are going to get access to that video. All right, so you can try this out as well. You can use your, I decided to use my phone so that you know that you can use your phone for it. All right, so try yours out. Let's see what you come up with. All right, you can try whatever imagination comes to your mind. All right, apart from poses like postures, you can also try change of outfits. You can try a lot of other things. You can put yourself in a car. You can, it's just for you to really describe what you want it to do, and then attach an image that that your face is clear in. All right, any image you have a clear face, a portrait, kind of like a headshot, you can upload it, and this is going to really create the magic for you. All right, so see you in the next video. Share this video to other people, subscribe to the channel as well. God bless you. Bye.